Hello everyone, welcome back to The Lazy Chef. My name is Sammy and today we're going to be making chewy coconut squares, which comes from my mum's recipe book. Never made it before, so we'll see how it goes. Enjoy! So in the bowl we have 8 ounces, that's 230 grams of ginger nuts, or ginger biscuits, or to the Americans ginger cookies. And in goes 2 ounces, that is 56 grams of melted butter. Give it a good old mix up. It feels a bit dry at this stage, but don't worry, it all works out in the end. Give it a good squeeze with your paws there. That always helps. Make sure the butter is all well mixed in. You want the base to be as solid as possible once it's cooked. Well, a drop more butter in there. Can't waste anything. Right, so here I have, I'm not sure, I think it's a 6x6 square glass dish which I've just buttered. And I'm going to put the biscuits in there and then give them a good squash down. Try and make it as level as you can. Of course, you don't have to use ginger biscuits. You can use any other biscuit that you like, but actually these work so well. Right, in the bowl here we have 4 ounces, that's 110 grams of caster sugar, and 2 large eggs, and we're going to whisk them up until they're nice and smooth and creamy. There you are, you can see they look lovely there. It does look like cream. And to that we're going to add 110 grams, that's 4 ounces of coconut, desiccated coconut. I'm just going to get something to mix it in. There we go. So fold your coconut in, don't be too heavy on this because you want to keep all the air in the egg and sugar mixture. So be gentle. You don't have to do it for very long. There we go. Right, go back to your base, and all you have to do is pour your coconut mixture on top of your base. And then we'll be putting it in the oven. Oh, I can't remember what temperature now. 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. I'll put the temperature down in the description. Just level it out. Give it a shake. And then we'll put it in the oven and we'll see how it comes out. Well, as you can see, it looks absolutely lovely. And we tasted it, and Freya was surprised that ginger and coconut went so well together. Like I said before, you don't have to use ginger biscuits, but if you like ginger, I mean, I highly recommend it. So please let me know if you make this, and please like, subscribe, and please do share. I'd be really grateful if you can do that. Turns out really that this channel is actually becoming mostly cake. So anyway, let me know if you make it, and please come back again soon. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.